Hi, my name is Annalise. My family and I discovered the mountain dulcimer on a family vacation in the Smoky Mountains. They are truly a part of American folk music and a lot of fun to play. Today I'll show you how to assemble your own Jerome & Guitar's mountain dulcimer kit. Your kit should include a printed instruction guide, fretted dulcimer neck, plywood body, a set of strings, and a small parts bag. In your parts bag, you'll find 4 tuners and 8 tuners mounting screws, 3 screw eyes, 2 short dowels, 2 large screws and washers, a bridge and a nut, 4 rubber feet, a screwdriver, and a pick to use to play your completed dulcimer. The first step is to install the tuners using the supplied screwdriver and 8 mounting screws. There are 2 left-hand tuners and 2 right-hand tuners. Install the tuner so the tuning knob is face up with the gear towards the top of the neck, like this. When installing the opposite side, it helps to position the neck over the edge of a counter or table, like this. Next, we'll attach the neck to the top of the body. First, turn the neck over and stick the 2 small dowels into the 2 large holes in the back of the neck. Align the plywood top to the neck and push them together. Next, place the washers on the neck mounting screws and screw them in through the top of the pilot holes in the neck. Now it's time to put together the dulcimer body. The plywood pieces are laser cut and should fit together tightly. And while glue isn't necessary, if you would like to use a small amount of white school glue or wood glue, that would work. Start by attaching one side to the bottom. This is where an extra set of hands may be helpful. Finally, press the top onto the box to close it off. The strings are held in place with 3 screw eyes attached to the bottom of the neck. Screw the 3 screw eyes all the way into the 3 pilot holes on the bottom of the dulcimer. You can use the screwdriver to help screw these in if needed. Facing the dulcimer with the tuners to your left, the nut and bridge are installed with the double melody string slots closest to you. Don't worry about it if they're loose. The strings will hold them in place. Now it's time to string up your new dulcimer. Your kit includes 4 strings. These strings will be either ball end or loop end. The strings ends are very sharp, so we recommend this step be performed by an adult. When seated in front of the dulcimer with the tuners to your left, the strings are arranged with the 2 smallest melody strings closest to you, the middle string in the middle, and the bass string on the furthest position. The melody strings share a single screw eye closest to the player. Start by looping one of the melody strings through the first screw eye. Loop the end through the eye and then through its ball or loop end to secure it in place. Insert the other end of the string through the tuning peg hole of the first tuning peg. Continue with the rest of the strings. The second melody string shares the same screw eye as the first. The melody strings use the left-hand tuners. The middle and bass strings should be strung through the right as shown. Once the strings are in place, trim the excess. Now would be a good time to put the rubber feet on the bottom. Finally, we need to tune our dulcimer. We recommend standard DAD tuning. If you do not have a guitar tuner or a piano handy, the easiest way is to download a tuner app for your smartphone. It will likely take several tunings for the strings to stretch and settle in and remain in tune. Once it's tuned up, it's ready to play. Finally, we need to tune our...
Good though.
Once it's tuned up, it's ready to play.
Try it again.
Oh.